countless ways to get eyes on your content. However, Facebook is one of the most powerful. Best thing? Promoting your content on Facebook doesn't have to break the bank. You can start from as little as $1 per day. Hi, I'm Callie from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Let's look at how to use Facebook ads to distribute your content. Create relevant content. You need to create content that's valuable to the people you're targeting. Ask yourself, who is this content for? Why would they spend time consuming it? Would someone who doesn't know our brand share this? To accomplish this, your content should do one or both of these things. Answer a common question your prospects ask. Solve a problem or pain point your customer has. It also needs to be done in a way that's engaging. A feed's intent is to inform and/or entertain. Facebook wants its users to have a great experience so they stay longer. Analyze results. As you create content regularly, you can start to see what works and what doesn't. Whether it's a video, written, or live content, you can see what brings in better reaction from the audience. Facebook provides an incredible amount of data whenever you post content: reach, engagement, and engagement rate, and you can break it down by type of post. With video posts, you can access even more data, including the important average watch time. Promote best performing content. Use the data to inform your paid Facebook content promotion. You should advertise or boost your content to new audiences who aren't fans or regular consumers of your Facebook content. You want to use Facebook ads to amplify content that's already working. If something does well organically, it'll likely perform well with paid too. Focus on promoting evergreen content. The longer the content's shelf life, the longer you can boost the post. Retarget those who consume your content. Getting people to consume and engage with your content is important, but it's only the start. If people are consuming your content but aren't becoming customers, what's the point? That's what really matters to your bottom line. So how do you take people who have consumed your content and turn them into loyal customers? Retarget them. If someone reads one of your articles or watches a video on Facebook, you're able to serve a follow-up ad for additional content. You can make the ad super relevant because you know the viewer already consumed your content. For more information, visit